Fix Windows Update Error 0x800f0381. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the troubleshooter. Windows troubleshooters can point at what is causing the issue or might even sometimes solve the problem automatically, so we recommend starting from this step. Fix 2. Check for corrupted system files. Corrupted Windows files could be one of the main causes of Windows Update errors. You can check that by running commands via elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Check bits and Windows Update services. Fix 4. Reset Windows Update components. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter.